I had here. I got a new oven. Let's open it and do some unboxing. What's this? Oh, a turning peel. Okay, I'll see it later. Let's open this box. I present to you the Koda 16. But before we start with the best part, let me get ready. Manual, obviously later. What is this? Ah, the stone. And this is the gas connection. Good. Wow. And here's the oven. What I like about the Ooni ovens are these foldable legs, which let you transport it really easy. Okay. Whoa. Oh, but come, look. There are a few things here inside. What is this? Wheel pizza cutter. Oh, it's beautiful, and I like the weight. It feels good in my hand. And here I have a pizza dough scraper. Oh, I love this. Nice scraper. And here's one of the things that I love the most, the Mezzaluna pizza cutter. It's really easy and has a really good weight. Excellent pizza cutter. And what is this? Oh, an Ooni apron. Beautiful. Oh, I love the fabric. Excellent. And this is the Ooni cover. When the Ooni goes to sleep, you cover it with this. Let's put the stone. Good. Oof, but I almost forget. There's still one more box to be opened. Oh, excellent. The pizza turning peel. Wow! Now it's time to make some fire. Let's put the oven on the table. This oven, the Koda 16, is powered only by gas, so let's connect it. With this knob, you can turn the oven on, and then you can easily adjust the temperature that you want. Wow, what a fire! The interesting thing about this oven is that it has two burners in an L form, and it heats up to 500 degrees Celsius, which is around 932 degrees Fahrenheit. The secret for the perfect pizza is to preheat the stone. It has to be really, really hot, and it won't take too long. Time to check the stone temperature. Oof, it's really, really hot, around 750 degrees Fahrenheit. So with the knob, I will lower it a little bit. Are you lost with all the sourdough bread recipes that you find on the internet? Would you like to learn all the tips and tricks to make your own sourdough bread at home? Then I have the solution. I have designed the perfect masterclass of sourdough bread just made for you. By clicking the link on the description, you will learn how to make and take care of your sourdough starter, how to knead, shape, ferment, and bake your sourdough bread, how to use and read the baker's percentage, all the basic techniques to bake like a pro at home, and how to read and understand your dough. Don't miss out on it and click the link on the description right now. Okay, time to bake pizza. Now that I'm ready, let's start with some ingredients. I'm going to cut very thin slices of this onion. Let's chop some ciboulette. And now it's time to stretch the dough. This dough is made with Biga. Remember that in the channel you have all my recipes to find out how to make this dough. Now, time for the peel. Cheese moment. Bocconcino fior di latte. Let's go with the onion. Let's go with some more cheese. Blue cheese. And this is not over yet. Some Parmesan cheese. Little green touch. And as always, do not forget the olive oil. And a very important tip, always before baking the pizza, check that it has not glued on the peel. Let's go. The last detail, some crushed nuts. Now time to slice it with the mezzaluna. I love this pizza with the crispy cornicione with these leoparding dots. The bottom is perfectly cooked, really full of air and of the ingredients. This pink onion is beautiful. Time to try it. Buon appetito! Okay, I hope you have loved the oven, the pizza and the video. I'll see you on the next one. Meanwhile, I'll be eating more pizza. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about sourdough bread and sourdough starter, I encourage you to check the link on the description. And remember, this masterclass was specially designed for you.